This complimentary video will demonstrate how to construct a deluxe cooler using YellaWood brand pressure-treated pine. The project plan PDF found online lists the material and supplies needed, cut list, and diagrams necessary for explaining assembly. Be sure to download and use this in tandem with viewing the video content. Check BuildYella.com often for project updates and additions. First, prep all your wood by making necessary crosscuts. Rip boards according to the instructions and make jigsaw cuts and Forstner bit cuts. Because wood stock can vary, dry fit assemblies is needed to ensure dependent parts align. Make adjustments to part dimensions if needed. Begin by building the frame. Lay out 3 part A's, apply wood glue to 2 of the faces and stack the pieces. With all edges flush, clamp the stack together. Repeat until you have 4 legs and set aside to dry. Next, attach part B and part C at a 90-degree angle. Attach 3 more part C's with the 2 inside ones evenly spaced between the outside ones. Complete the frame with another part B. Build a similar frame, but with only 3 parts C, with the middle C 14 3/4 of an inch from the left one. Place 2 part D's inside the larger rectangle. Place them flush on one end and 7/8 of an inch from the middle C. Clamp and secure with 5 2.5-inch screws. Center a part E on the outside of B and attach with 2.5-inch screws. With 2 part G's beneath this frame, place and secure the legs at the 4 corners. They are inset the thickness of a 1x6. Then attach the first frame 16 3/4 of an inch up using parts V to support it. Now you can build the interior. Flip the frame over and orient part E at the back. Use this to evenly place part F on the bottom frame at the back. Secure with 1 5/8-inch screws. Secure G in the same manner at the front of the assembly. Fill in the bottom with the remaining parts G, evenly spacing them as you go. Next, lay part N on the top frame. Butt part H up against it and attach it to the top and bottom of the frame with 1-inch nails. Attach the other part H. Attach parts I to fill in between. Continue using part N to keep the top flush. Repeat on the other side of the cooler. Attach the back slats starting with the 2 outside pieces, parts J. Evenly space and attach parts I in between. Then at the front of the cooler, measure and mark a line 16 1/4 inches from the left side of part G on the bottom level as shown. Place a part C on this line, 3 inches from the back wall. It should be directly below the part C above. Secure with 2 2-inch screws. Attach 2 part K's to the part C you just installed and the C directly above it. Fill in the middle part K's, evenly spacing as you go. Next, measure and mark a line 5 1/2 inches up from the bottom part C. Clamp a part C above this line and secure with 2-inch screws. On the other end, lay a part K on top of another part C. Using a level on top of K, mark a line even with the mate on the other side. Remove part K and secure C with 2-inch screws. To assemble the wine rack, attach M to